A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 22. What I see is a form of vengeance. Today's idea accurately describes the way anyone who holds attack thoughts in his mind must see the world. Having projected his anger onto the world, he sees vengeance about to strike at him. His own attack is thus perceived as self-defense. This becomes an increasingly vicious circle until he is willing to change how he sees. Otherwise, thoughts of attack and counterattack will preoccupy him and people his entire world. What peace of mind is possible to him then? It is from this savage fantasy that you want to escape. Is it not joyous news to hear that it is not real? Is it not a happy discovery to find that you can escape? You made what you would destroy, everything that you hate and would attack and kill. All that you fear does not exist. Look at the world about you at least 5 times today, and for at least a minute each time. As your eyes move slowly from one object to another, from one body to another, say to yourself, I see only the perishable. I see nothing that will last. What I see is not real. What I see is a form of vengeance. And then ask yourself at the end of the practice period, is this the world I really want to see? Now, review the screen for a moment. This is the application for the exercise for today. Apply this idea to whatever you see around you. As your eyes move slowly from one object to another, from one body to another. Say this to yourself. Apply the idea. Take about 60 seconds or so. And now ask yourself, is this the world I really want to see? The answer is surely obvious. This concludes Lesson 22. Remember to revisit this lesson at least 4 more times today.